Hello everyone, we have to discuss about the GS paper 4 mains answer writing preparation. Question number 8. How can civil servant and the navigated and the situations where they are the personals and the value and the belief and may the conflict and with their the duties and the responsibilities to uphold the rules and of the law and the service the public impartially and experience with the help of the situatables. Examples. How can civil servant जो negative situations where their the personal values and the belief may conflict with their the duties and responsibilities to afford the rule of the law and serve and the public imperative explain with the help of the situation. Example. Introduction. Civil servant often face the ethicalities and the dilemmas that is other decisions making problem between two the morals imperatives and neither of which the resolve the situation in other moralities morally and the satisfactory manners and body. Ethical dilemmas and due to the clash and between the personals and value belief and emotionals endurings and are the complex situation that the often and involve as the aspirants and mentors the conundrums and in which the obeying and one the imperatives and would result in the disobeying and others. Common dilemmas and with which the public servants are the confronted and revolve around the aspects such as situation in which the compliance and with the ethical conduct result in other significant personal cost, for example, and jeopardizing and hold the positions and injuring value relationship to the public servant. Situation in which other conscientious and public servant is exposed to other combination of the personals and or the others conflicted ethical value in order to the decided the right thing to do. For example, for example, crowd are going and the unruly and during other band and cold by other particular outfits and they are the damaging and public properties and local police and is not able to controls and them army and thus army has to be the called in and the power to use the firearms and has to be the given and but the protester include women and the aged person. To resolve such crises and the consigned situations and orders or other sequences of the logical to resolve such crisis of the consigned situation have an orders and or either sequence of the logicals and reasonings and is must to the integrated and the rearranged the process of the dealings and following the rules of the laws and the principles of the legalities. It is found a fundamental ethical duty of the civil servant to show the spirit of the neutralities from and the discretions and keep their own the personal preferences out in the performance of their the duties and responsibilities. Civil servant persons personal value is not to the harm and any the aged person or the woman in case and but the sometimes law and order demand the violences or the harms is needed for the social peace. Public officials ought to be the accountables and for their the official action to their the superiors and the counts. and the public it is the nevertheless and the possibles, and for both for them and to the hide and the behind the prescribed and procedures and the cloak of professionalism and even the political office and bearers, for example as other king officials, and it is his duty to the safeguard tax and the players money and the make sure every rupees is spent in other ways as the required, and but when he the find out the cross and violations and brings it to the notice of the concerned officials, and they ask him to go slow. Here he is faced and with the dilemmas of the wares and to call praise the conferences and brings to the notice or keep the quiet officials rules and forbid civil servant from going to praise. A dilemma should be the dealt and the appropriately and by the considerings and the reformulatings and all the options and in other systematics and the coherence and manners and common good and larger. Public interest must be the considered and in all the situation, especially and when such the circumstances and give rise to conflict of interest. As other civil servant working on defense ministry, you find and out them certain aims and contract are going for other particulars and from the associations and with other union ministry official in this the situations the neither a the you cannot be other whistleblowers, and since it is the concern national security and it is the covered by the official secret act or go silence. Here self and the restraint in the manners of the responsibilities and with help the persons and to work the accountable manners and the personals and belief of the whistleblowing and should be the secondary to the common good in the national security situation. Conclusion: during such dilemmas, it is the suggested to follow the consent in the inner voice of the self that is the derived from our human values, and it help in the decisions making and solving ethical dilemmas and faces by the civil servant in daily life. Question number 9: in what ways and can the ethically conduct of the civil servant and be the strengthened and the upheld, particularly in the face of the corruptions and the misconduct and within the bureaucracy, and is it to the difficult and the critically examine. Introduction: civil servants are the pivot between the state and the pupils, and they are the countables to both the political executive and the civilians, and upholding the highest ethical standard is the paramount for civil servant, because the state machinery is rested upon their the sounders shoulders. They have to maintain ideal and lead by the example to the sustains the system trust body measures to uphold the high ethical standard among civil servants are dedicated and unit to the overseas and violation of the code of ethics and code of the conduct by government officials and be set both and the state and the central levels, and mandatory declarations of the asset and the liabilities of the government employees accompanies accompanied and by the proper auditings and established of the independence anti the corruption agency citizens. Establishment of the independence anti-corruption agencies and citizens and adversary bond to the incorporated. ले a dedicated unit to the overseas and the violation of the code and ethics code of the conducted by the government official be set up both at the state and the central level. Mandatory declaration of the asset and the liabilities of government employees, accompanied and by the proper auditings and establishment of the independent anti-corruption agencies. Citizen advisory board to the incorporated idea of the commons. Public welfare among the civil servant, mandatory social audio of all the government and the programs. For example, Meghalaya has the passed other law for the social audios of the government program. An important requisite for ensuring probity in the government governance is the absence of the corruptions. Apart from laws and the policies, the government should also focus on the bringing behavior change in government employees and so that they can the easily empathies and with the problems of masses, adapting citizens and charters to increase the ethical standard by the ensuring and compulsories organizational effectiveness and the performance, making the commitment and public good ensures the adherences to the ethicalities and of the service and delivery standard code of the ethics. And for the civil servant and the public official endure the following minimum set of principles serving the public interest. Civil servant and public officials and are the expected to maintain and the strengthen the public trust and the confidences in government while the demonstrating and the highest standard of the professionals and competitiveness and efficiency and the effectiveness affording the constitution and the law and the seekings to the advance the public good at all the times. Transparency, the civil servant and public officials are expected to use power and the resources and for the public goods under the government policies, and they should be the accountables for the decisions and they make the prepared and to the justify and there the action integrity fairness and efficiency and the effectiveness. Integrity, civil servants and public officers are expected to make the decisions and act the solely and in the public interested and without the considerations of their the private interested and public the employment being other public trust the impropers and use of the public service possible for the private and advantage and is the regarded as other serious bench of the duties and fairness. Civil servant and public officials should make the decisions and act in other fairs and the equitable manners without vows or the prejudice and the taking into the account and only the merits of the matters and the responsible the right of the affected citizens. Efficiency and the effectiveness and the civil servant and the public officials are required and to the obtained and best value for the publics and assets and deployed in order through and the public management and to avoid the best and the extravagance in the expenditures and the use of the public assets. Second, administrations reform commissions and code of the ethics and for the civil servant committee on the preservation committee on the preventions of the corruption and the Santhanam committees in 1964 and draft public committee service bill and now the under the consideration of the Ministry of the Personals public grievances and the pensions and allegiances to the various ideas. In shared and in the preambles of the constitutions a political functioning and good governance for the betterment of the peoples and to be the primary goal of the civil service duty to the act objectively and impactedly and accountability and transparency in decisions making maintenance of the higher ethical standard. Merit with the equitables and the representations to be the criteria in the selections of the civil servant and the consistencies, and ensuring the economic and the avoidances of the wastage in the expenditures, and provisions of the healthy and the congenials and the work environment, and communication consultations and the corruptions in performance and functions. The draft will also the envisages a the public services code and a the public services management code lines down more the specific duties and responsibility challenges for the civil servant in the maintaining high ethical standard. Balancing individuals and obligations, and the disorganizations obligation conflict between and the individuals and privately and held the convict and the obligations as the determine and by her the organization dealing with the conflict of the opinion. It is the changing when other public servant to resolve the stocks and conflict between what he and she is the required and by the her senior officials, and to do what he and see the really work is the right, and the dilemmas in information sharing dealing with the situation, and when other public servant and has to the decided and whether to the keep information secret that the might be the embarrassing to the government of the day or the reveals it is the public interest in balancing services obligation and accountabilities towards the public, and it is challenging when other public servant funds and certain the indications of the deliberated inefficiency protections of the incompetence and extravagance and the unreachables and use of the public funds in employment of the government and equipment and the machineries and for the personals and use and the subjective criteria used in the requirement or in the award of the government grant or the license, and resolving the conflict in conscience and prevalence and political ideology, and it is the challenging to the decide to what the extent and should other public servant support the political ideology and practiced and by the current government. Balancing private life and the public life, and when other person expected the public life public service in employments, and it is the challenging to the determine and how much and should he see and subordinated or the abdicated and his and her claims to the private life and property and value. Conclusion: to maintain other strong emphasis and the should be the laid and on the values and like the empathies and compensation integrity and will be the sub and humanities at large, and encouraging other sense of the responsibilities and focusing on the greater and good for the larger interested can the guide the actions and of other public servant and can the resolve most of the challenges and in the ways of the carrying out and it's the ethical obligations. Question number 10: what are the core fundamentals values and that the underpins the civil services, and how do they the contribute to its the effectiveness and the efficiency? Examine. Introduction: adherence and to the foundationals and values such as integrity, objectivity and non-partisanships and tolerated compensation dedications to public service etc serve as the guiding principle for civil service servants and in the discharge of the public service duty. Body: Nolan Committee and the recommendations GS paper 4 and openness, honesty, integrity, objectivity and selflessness, leadership's accountabilities, fundamental value and underpin the civil servant. 10th report of the second ARC recommendations that the upholding the constitutional spirit and adherence to the highest standard of the integrity and the conduct, impartiality and the non-partnerships and the objectivity and dedications and to the public service, and empathy and the compensations and towards the weaker sections are core value of civil service, and thus the fundamental value ensure and the effectiveness civil service which the functions honesty partialities and efficiency. Thus the value empower the administrators and to fill the gap of the trust and deficits between the citizens and the government. Thus fundamentals and values. Thus fundamentals values provided the lawfulness and to the behaviors and of and the administrators and make it more effectiveness and the efficiency by following core fundamental value. Integrity: It is the qualities of the eliminating and the gap between the what we the thinks and what we the say and what we do, and this facilities and quite effective decisions and impartiality. And it is the rejected granting and the undues and advantage to any the individuals and societals groups or the organization. Being the impartials means and that all the choices and should only be the based on merit contributing efficiency objectivity, and it is the required and institutions to adhere and to the logic laws and the established standard practices and norms. Objectivities and means being the truth true in the spirit of one the feeling and ideas and the belief, and useful in the deliverings and the service in the past peace. And dedications is the imminence of the purpose to be the devoted or the loyal to duty or purpose through or the actions, and dedication is the vital personality trait of and the individuals. This value gives the ability to continue the acting, and when the motivations is looking in the dedications and will drive to the certain task. And repeatedly empathy tolerant and the compensations toward the weaker section and public servant are the meant to serve, and this the required and developing the humanistics and attitude, and thus the value guaranteed and that the public servants act the sympathetically and the interpreted the rules and to advance the public interest. Non-partnerships and infers and that the officers and is to do and his the task and without any the fears of or the favors and to any the political parties. It is the provided rules and drives effective decisions. Conclusion: civil services are an the integral part of the Indian democracy and the considered as the steel and frames of the governance. The civil servants and have to the avoid by other common set of the value which can cater to larger the interest of the society at large and to the achieve social, political and economically justice. Question number 11. How do the fundamental value compared and the contract and with others the values, and that may be the relevance and to the civil services such as the accountabilities and transparency and public service. Explain how do you the fundamental value को compare करना है and contract with other values, and that may be the relevant to the civil servant such as the accountability, transparency and public service. Explain. Introductions. Introduction. Civil services are an the integral part of the democracy are and the considers as the steel frame of governance, and they play other great role of the societal's development as they have the responsible responsibilities of the board decisions making and policy implementations, and there are the some fundamental values and which are the must for better administrators body as per the second administrators reforms and commissions. The fundamentals and values of the service and are integrity, objectivity, impartiality and dedications and to public service. Dedication to the public service and the compensations toward the weaker section, and they are the fundamental because impartially and the non-partisans. It is dedicated on the merit and is the free from the partitions and the consideration furthers and the non-partisan civil services, and is also the responsible to the constitutions of the lord of the land to which and they have the takens and the oath of the loyalty. Integrity. Basically, integrity approach empowered and the individuals to make the values and judgment about right or wrong, and it is the value driven and instead of the rule driven, and one has to the learn and have to deal. have to deal with challenges and the dilemmas. Impartiality and implies and that the officers are is to impartiality implies and that the behaviors and the treaty by a bureaucrats to any the individuals or the entry or the entities has to be the exclusively based on the merit and to make fair and judge the equitables and effectiveness and the efficiency decisions, and there has to be the absolute participating and non-partnerships, and non-partnership refers and that the officers and is to do his task without any fears or the favors to any political parties. The value of the administration and will flow from the constitution, not from the philosophy of any the political parties. Non-partnerships strengthen the democracy and the procedures and the institution along with the maintenance and the integrity of the services. Objectivity is other funding actives and the decisions or the regional or the rigorous analysis of the evidence, and in the entails that the true remain and the universities independence of the human thought or approach, and the objection approach is the particularly important in decisions making process, compositions and contract between the fundamental value and the other public services value and fundamental value thus are end on the oriented value and the concern and with the goals and with the civil servant should aims to achieve and while performing their duties they relate and to the ends product and may best be visualized and as those the covered and by the directive principles of the state policy fundamental right. Thus values are the interest value and ensure and the effective civil services with the functions and the honest function, honesty and the impartiality and the efficiency. Efficiency and thus value the empowered and the administrations to fill the gaps of the trust and the deficit helpful between the citizens and the government, and thus the value and provide the lawfulness and to the behavior. देखिए कहाँ यार इधर lawfulness and to the behavior of in the administrations and make it the more effective and since the civil service has the discretionary and powers and the value are the important to give them the certain guides and to the prevent abuse of the power and civil service value thus are means and the oriented value and concern and with the ways in which the civil servants behave or act and while the performing their the duties. their the duties. They related and to the means and the includes, and such the values as the transparency and responsibilities. Efficiency, etc. and thus. With the event of the new publics and the administration and increasing the diversity in the administration field, and the administration need to the adores both physical and mental aptitude. He thus should have the both general mental ability, basic thinking capabilities and the learning ability, and to the perform any the intellectual task as well as the decide and value and system of the public administrations, to perform his duty and not only the efficiency and but also the effectively. Roughly the kind of the aptitude and desire and other civil servant include the good communications and the interpersonal and skills, leaderships, management and the organization skill, critical thinking and the listening abilities, and the skill to the effectively manage and raise the resources, availability to the established and the collaboratives and network and the successful teamworks and high level of the professionalism, and availability to think on their the feet and develop the innovatives and solution skill of the persuasions, and the availability to negotiations and with the difficult people. Importance of the aptitude for potential growth in civil service. The civil servants form the permanent and the structure and backbone of the administrations. Qualitatives and the professional skill and the committed and the workforce is the hands and the imperative and to the mention the high and the standard of the public administrations. In Indian Public Service Commissions administration, the civil servants are the entrusted and with other diverse and shared of the responsibilities, such as from the simple administratives and the clerk tasks to complex decision making policy and implementation, and the servings as other link between government and citizens. Hence it is vital for the civil services and to the process and diverse the skills such as the grapings, capabilities, good analysis skill and the availability to establish the collaborative network and the successful teamwork. In public administrations and leader face different kind of the problems and the challenges every day, such as the high and the unemployment, insufficient government spending, fast changing socio-economically scenarios, etc. Law and administrative rules and cannot the explain everything, and leaders cannot always the memes and the previous and the successes because the elements affecting such challenges change day to day. In such and the cases, either civil servant and need and the abuse of the impromptu and the decisions making skill and the critical thinkings and availability to the exercise discretions and with the convictions. The emerging concern of e-government and the motto of the less government, more the governance, and demand transformations and changes in the machineries of the government as well as the work style and the orientation of the government officials, with the role and the functions of the administrators having becomes the swiftly changing and increasingly the challenging civil servants, and must be the equipped and with the necessary skills and the capabilities. Civil servant must be the equipped and with the necessaries and skills and the capabilities and to meet the new challenges. They must have the aptitude to the master new the technologies and new styles of functionings, and they should serve as the agent of the change and to the catalytic reforms and initiatives. In other diverse and country like the India's, and the civil servant often face complex and the often contracting socio-economically objections and challenges, often creating other deep sense and of the moral ethicals and dilemmas in them the about and their own duties and the functions, and this the demand and the enhances and the aptitude to the prevail over the contradictions and solve the dilemmas and the keep up the spirit to perform in the spirituals spirit of the adverse and the circumstances under the framework of the exclusively government administrators and need to the world team and across the diverse and the stakeholder, for example, to create other favorable business and climate in other cities, and the economic development directors need to bring the together and local the business leaders and the chambers of the commerce and also the environmental advocated. This demand other civil servant to possess and the ability to the receive and act upon the feedback, as well as the effective and the interpersonal skills to bridge the gap and the encourage collaboration and for the common object attitude. Also the look at the futures and the potential in the coordinations and with the present pattern of the attitude and the potentials and aptitude for the civil servant, and not only the based on the just knowledge and skill, but also it based on the value and the ethics, and they required other holistic competence and should be seen in the integral manner other certain aptitude for public service in the enhances in the decisions to join the civil society. To become sport persons and one and the required and the physio and motor coordinations, defense services or police and the services require mental as well as the physical aptitude. Conclusion: a person having a better and the aptitude, and it means she has had the innate potential and to do the some things. Other civil servant and required such the aptitude and to do the something to the society in his the public services and ability to adapt new skill as per the changing times, and having the potential and is more the conditions to achieve anything. How does one more the attitudes and the determinations? Determination, his heart and the opinions of the pupil event and the ideas, and explain with the help of the situation example. Introduction: moral attitude are the grounded in in moral belief of the right and the wrong actions, and morals attitude are stronger than the moral principle, and it has been the well documents and that the ethicals and values are the highest among that the types of the natural values, and body different facts of the morals attitude. Goodness anything and which is the inherently, and bad the evil. Bad even though may bring some positives, and effect can never be. Can never be the justifies it is the bad, and similarly if a good thinking, if other good thinkings, if other good things and brings about the suffering, it should be the tolerated, and just because the beings is the inherently goods relevance, one must hold revenue to all the forms of the life, and respect should not be limited to the family members and peer the superiors, and but the moral attitude and should be the such, and that one must be the able and to the respected all the forms of life, and all kinds of the good deeds, and faithfulness, the greatest thinkings, the greatest thing, and that one can the earn is trust and of the others, so beings and the trustworthy and the investing trust on the others required are the positive and the dispositions and towards the faith to be and able to the perform our role in all the spheres and of all the morals attitude determining opinions of the people's event and idea. Moral attitude refer to how you feel and the about morals and issues, and where's the society and debates and what is the right and wrong, and for example, how do you feel about euthanasias and mercy killings? Do you believe it is correct, and the morals and the attitudes and are the frequently shaped and by and the individuals and moral values and moral attitudes of subs as the fundamental for all the moral behaviors. Pupils moral attitude and also the encourages other person towards the trusts and the volunteers social services. It is the encourage pupils to help other in which they the find and the happiness. For example, Mother Teresa, it is generated the empathy, and we not only the empathy and which and the individuals and but also the understand her pain, and which leads to the actions. Suppose Mr. and Mrs. X is the DM of the tribal areas, and government is playing to the built a road through the jungle, and that the only option available since he have the above. Moral attitude then he see and will the understand tribals people and sentimented, and but at the same time now or the road significant and have hence build the honesty and try to the pursues and tribals to the best of his the abilities and in other peaceful manner. Events moral attitude to maintain the tolerant and the peace and build the commanded and divergence the views and be the others to the behave morally and with the others, and whose views are the diametrically oppositions and to that of the hours and lack of the such and the attitude lead to the fanatics and behaviors leading to the disputes root etc. Negative impact of the morals. Moral attitude is that the persons and can use such the attitudes to the defend volumes and behaviors and the intensities and still society and will accept it. It is the because moral attitude is the strong and the emotions and it is emotions. It motives other person and towards the road and masquerades and the terrorism and since the morals and the attitude steed and with the strong sentiments and pupils do not and get the alongs and with those and who do not the shares and their the moral attitude. Conclusion. Moral attitude is important aspect of the good citizens and civil servant. This will help public servant and do brings the good and the governance practices in whole of his the life and public service careers. Question number 14. Political neutrality is different and from the political abstinences and do you agree substituted views of substituted your views. Introduction. If other person or the country adopt other neutral positions or the remain natural, they do not support anything. They do not support anything and is other disagreemented and war or contact it's called. The political neutrality, however, when and the individuals and country has the ability to vote. But chooses not to do and the so and the abstainings from the voting, it is the defined and the abstinences and body. Political neutrality, it can be the defined as the status of the being in the detached or the disinterested and towards and the kind of the profits on the self gain, like particularly in the group rich and wealth, the poor and the social pressures of the caste and religion. In the context of the public administration, neutrality refers to the public adversity or the non-partisan partnerships, and it is the included that you are not the one or linked with any the one and the groups and parties or abused or cases. Non-partnerships and is the attitude. Impartially is the behavior. Political impartiality, it is the integrity civil servant and must not be and the associated with any the political parties or ideology. Officers is expected and to the and the cooperated any the political parties in power, and he must not the allow his political value and ideology to the interferes in day-to-day work. He must faithfully implement and the public policies, and even if they contrary to his behavior, and the neutrality is required and to keep the public confidence in civil service. Even civil service and the politicals and the executive confidences in Political confidences in civil service and the political executives. Political executive confidence in the civil service after the regime is the change. And if there is political executive confidence and in the civil service after the regime, and if there lack of the mutual trust and they can't work for the larger interest nowadays, trust is lost, and therefore after every elections and the new ruling party and will begin the mass transfers of the officers from the previous regime. Examples: Sachin Vaz was as so the cold. So the cold encounter and the specialist in the Mumbai police and the forces, and he was the suspended from the force and 16 years ago due to a case of the custodials and death, and after the suspension he the associated himself and with the Shiv Sena. With the Shiv Sena, in which the allegedly and the reinstated and the him in the police forces in the 2020. Such cases of the civil servant and being the associated with the police, with politicians, and have come and up many times. When and the individuals has the availability to vote but chooses and to not to do so, and that the individuals is the abstaining from the votings. A voter may the abstain from the voting or for many reason, e.g. and they do not and they thinks and they the now and enough the about and the issues and aid the hand and to the make and the enforcement and the decisions, and they believe voting on other particulars issues and presented a conflict of the interest, and they are the withholdings their vote in the protected etc. Example: it varies the point thought out the Brexit and the process and partnerships. बिन में क्या डाल रही और गीले में गीले हो जाएंगे, गीले ही होंगे वे. It the various point and the thought out the Brexit process and particularly has used the extended. It is the various point and the thought out the Brexit process and the particularly have party cities and have used substances and to the move and measures and the legislation. This the tacticals and use of the abstentions and can be the valuables and the political tools and through it the come and with the come with risk and such as the other parties and massing legislative in the spirit of the abstentions abstention on the although obtainings and forms other vote. Although obtaining and from other vote and may seem the some side words and it is the implication and the consequences and can be the sun significant and India stand on Russia's and Ukraine bar the India and response to the Russia and invaders on the Ukraine condemnations and of the civilians killings without any name callings and the abstentions and from the UN votes and is not fundamentally different from this the historics and India the abstained and on other US the suspended United Nations Security Council UNSC resolution there's the developed US sponsored United Nations Security and that the developed deployers and in the strongest terms and the Russia aggressive against the Ukraine political neutrality. Political neutrality is different from the political abstinence and in this context of the public administration neutrality and refers to the political and the neutrality or the partitions. It indicated and that you are not owner and on the thing linkage and with any the one groups and parties or the issues or causes neutrality and the defeat that the public officials and are not the slaves and to the either कपड़ा जमा रही का जाप either the politicians and or any the other than the authority and other than the moral authority of the constitution. It is so that the principles of the neutrality and implies the measures of the independence both from the partitions and the principles of the principles of the neutrality implies other measures of the independence and both from the partitions interests of the government day and the exogenous agendas and there the prompt and certain the social groups to the cow others down to humility and vulnerability. However, the politicals and the abstentions and is other teams and in the elections and procedures and for when other participants in other vote and either does not and go to the vote or the participatory and the produce and presented during the vote and but does not and cast other violate abstentions and must be the contracted and with the blank board in which either vote voters and cast other ballot and with fully made invalid and why the markings it is the wrongly and or why not the makings making and anything and it all a the black and the water has voted the although there the vote and maybe the considered other spoiled and vote depending on is the legislations and while and the upstanding and the voter has not the voted and both the forms and may and not the depending on the circumstances and be the considerers and to be the protest vote also known as the blank board and or the white board and the political abstentions and may be used to the to indicated and the voting individuals and mbts ambulances around the missions over the mid and the disapprovals and that does not the rise into the levels of the active opposition and the abstentions. Abstention can also be the used and when the someone has other certain and the positions out and the issues but scenes and the pollution populars and the sentiments and support and the opposition. It might not be the politicalities and the expedience to vote according and to their the conscience. Conclusion: the principle of the political neutrality of the political substances in which the required and the stations and to the remains and the neutrals and on the disputed questions and is an extension of the traditional and the literal principles. Liberal principles of toleration and the independence of the opinion, thus the political neutrality and the subsistences and caste duties are not only on the constitutional office and but also on the government of the day. This session will be closed. Thank you guys.